Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily block TikTok app on your iPhone. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to write your comments after watching, and also friends, put likes under the video. And let's get started. Let me start by saying that this feature is only available for those who have already updated their iPhone to iOS 18. This feature is very convenient and easy to use. In order for you to lock the TikTok app so that no one can access it from your iPhone, the only thing you will have to do is to tap on the TikTok app and hold. Now, a menu like this will appear. Next, you will need to select an option called Add Face ID. Tap on it, and then to continue, also once again tap Apply Face ID. Now, as you can see, my Face ID has been scanned by the iPhone. And now every time I go to TikTok, it will ask me to scan my Face ID, and until I do, without my phone password, I can't access TikTok. So all videos and correspondence, all TikTok data will be available only to you and will be protected and confidential. Friends, this is a very simple method to block TikTok application on your iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes, comments, and see you soon.